Guys, we are going to be playing a game called Scooter Tag. These are our contestants.
I farted.
Weirdo guy,
I farted. What's up?
this guy, and that guy. You might recognize him from our earlier episodes.
Chicken boy,
Do you think you're gonna win?
No.
Do you think you're gonna win?
Probably not, but I hope so.
Do you think you're gonna win? Take that as a no. Okay, the rules of this game is, so the person who's it doesn't have a scooter and he tries to tag somebody. When he tags somebody, he gets the scooter of the person he tagged. And Chicken Boy, get out. And
Woo! You'll never tag me.
so those are all the rules, and after 30 seconds of getting tagged, you're allowed to tag the person who tagged you. But within those 30 seconds, you can't tag the person who tagged you. Ready?
And before
Go!
we start,
Chicken Boy will be it for the first.
Una, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, Spanish.
You know Japanese? Sorry if this is too bright, guys. I'm trying to adjust it to outside.
Yeah, some did that.
Sorry, guys. There was a giant bug on my leg. I have no clue how it got there.
You don't want my scooter?
Who is it? I have a feeling Dominic is it. Yep, Dominic is it. We have been recording for 3 minutes and 15 seconds. And guess what? You have paused the video. If I was wrong, then let's resume the game. Baboosh. Chicken Boy is it. Say hi, viewers.
I love it. You can eat Dominic now. Can't go past the first speed bump across your head. No? Yep. They can go past there!
No, they can't, because that's not fair. I can't see them with the camera.
I'll take the camera.
No.
I'll make them see your face.
No.
Why don't you want to be shown, cameraman?
By the way, this is my YouTube channel. I don't know why I'm the cameraman. That's really strange. We've got 5 minutes to go on the recording.
Tell us if the cameraman doesn't want to see it. If there's over 1,000 likes on a video, then the cameraman will be seen.
Okay, if we get 100 likes on this video,
I was lucky.
I will reveal my face.
You have to count to 30 starting down again. 1,000 likes.
No, 100 likes because I only have 2 subscribers. Sadly, please subscribe to my channel. I need subscribers.
To be honest, I will.
To be honest, I come in peace. I'm an alien. I'm out. That stands for go away. I'm out. Bye. Can I not be forever?
We're gonna take a quick break, so we'll be back when we're done with the break.